So I've run out of thread again. So I'm just going to get the last of my thread. I've still got quite a bit on here. The last of my thread for sewing on the leaves. So work your way around your little carrot sleeping bag. I'll just get my needle threaded again. I think this might be the most thread changes I've ever had to do in a workshop. So there we go. So we're going to do little X stitches for the leaves. Just wait for a few more. And then, so all what we've got left to do is to just stitch on the little leaves, and then our carrot sleeping bags will be done. We've finished our little rabbits, and they're already so cute going in their little beds there. I mean, how sweet is that? I just love them. So we're nearly done that. Good. Okay. So I'm going to do the little leaves now. So I've got my little sleeping bag, got my 2 little leaves, or if you've done just one, I think I will overlap them like this. So I'm just going to hold them. But if you want, you could use your little clips. Maybe that will work. Okay, do it this way. So I've got my little leaves on my little sleeping bag. There's a couple ways you can do it. You can just do a little running stitch across if you want. I just did the X's so that it was a little bit more decorative. So again, we're always hiding our little knots. So I'm just going to come up on the orange where the green overlaps it so that it's hidden. So I won't see it in the back. Sorry, that's not very clear. I won't see it in the back because my little leaves are covering it. So just going to stitch some little X shapes. So it's not anything, there's no special technique. I'm just going to do one little dash. I'm just going to do a straight stitch and mind your little leaves. And then I just come up next to it to just cross over it to make a little X shape. And it makes it really secure and also looks a little bit decorative from the front. So just making little X shapes. So I've done one, and just work your way across. So just go across now. I do my next one. So I go over and then cross back over. I'm just going to do a little row of X's. So I do my first little bit of the X. So if you need to watch this first and then do it, go ahead. So just do my first bit, then I come across in the back. I'm just making little X's. If they're a little bit uneven, it doesn't matter. We're not doing any special cross stitch or anything like that. We're just making some little X's to secure the leaves onto the carrots. So just come across. I've gone on the overlap of the little leaf now, so they should both be secure. I just keep getting caught in my little leaves, so watch out for that. There we go. Just come up from the back. So always just following where my tail is. So if my tail's in the back, I'm coming up from the back. I will just stitch across here. So I've done a couple little X's. Just keep working your way across so that your all the little leaves are sewn on. I just thought this is a fun little extra stitch to learn for adding a little something different to your sleeping bag instead of just doing a running stitch across. There we go. I can lose my clip. So I probably just do another 1 or 2. And then from the back, you'll have a couple little straight stitches going across in a few different directions. But you won't see it. I mean, it's on the back, but our little rabbits will be in the front, so don't worry about that. There we go. And just keep going across. I think I'll do 2 more. There we go. It's a lot of new stitches. I think that's good, actually. It's a lot of new stitches today, so it's quite a bit that's new. We did the satin stitch, which was new, and now the X stitch. So there we go. Just finish my last little X here. And then when you're done, you can just finish it off in the back. I'm just going to pick up a little bit of the green felt to tie it off in the same way. Same way again, I just do a little bit of the overstitch, pick up the green felt. And so you can also do the one that we did on the face where you just cut your double thread and just tie a knot. I'm just going to try and hide my little white thread there inside there. Just like that. So it's a little bit messy on the back, but you're going to see it from the front, which is why we've picked the little X stitch. So let me just tuck in my little bunnies to their little sleeping bags. There we go. So they're ready for a little camp out. So cute. I've got quite a bit of thread left over, so I'm just going to keep that for another day. And then while you're finishing your little X stitches, I'll just walk you through the garland. So like I said, it's a good little bonus activity that you can do after lunch to make your little garland. So I'll just walk you through that.